Hello! Today we're going to learn to estimate the mass of objects. Can you remember what estimate means?
Yes, it means to look at an object and guess how heavy or light it is.
That's right. We can estimate the mass of objects that we know and often see. For example, do you think your toothbrush is heavier or lighter than 1 kilogram?
It has to be lighter than 1 kilogram, of course. If it is heavier than 1 kilogram, my hand will feel tired if I use it to brush my teeth.
Yes, there isn't a 1 kilogram toothbrush because it is too heavy for people to use. Turbo Girl, I have here some objects and their masses, but the masses have been mixed up. Do you think you can match each mass to the correct object by estimation?
I will try. Let's have a look at the objects. There is a sausage roll, a watermelon, a table, a motorcycle, a bunch of keys, and a packet of biscuits. I know that some of these objects we should measure them in grams and some in kilograms. I think I will start by grouping them according to the unit that we will measure them in. So, there should be two headings: objects measured in grams and objects measured in kilograms. I will group the sausage roll under objects measured in grams. Can you help me group the rest of the objects? Since I can't measure the actual mass of the objects, I have to estimate their masses. I will have to look at the object and guess how heavy it is. Of all the big objects, the motorcycle is the heaviest. So I estimate the motorcycle's mass to be about 120 kg. The next heaviest is the table, and its mass should be about 80 kg. Finally, the watermelon. Its mass is about 2 kg. I have finished matching the bigger objects with their masses. Can you help me match the rest of the objects to the masses in grams?
Let's revise what you've learned today. When we want to know the masses of the objects we see and yet we cannot measure them, we can only estimate the masses. In order to do that, we have to remember that we use kilograms to measure bigger and longer objects, and grams to measure smaller and shorter objects. So back to your toothbrush. How heavy do you think it is? Is it about 25 grams or 25 kilograms?
It should be about 25 grams. It cannot be 25 kilograms because, like you said, it will be too heavy to be used for brushing my teeth.
You have remembered all that I've taught you, and you have done well in this lesson. See you in the next lesson.